If you've ever wanted a quick way to check your pulse or monitor your oxygen levels at home, this little device might surprise you. Because most people think you need bulky equipment or a doctor's visit just to get simple health readings. But what if it could be this easy? This is a pulse oximeter, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Now, right out of the box, you get the device itself, 2 batteries, and a small lanyard. Simple setup, but here's where it gets interesting. Because in just a few seconds, you can have it fully up and running. All you need to do is insert the batteries, and that's it. No complicated setup, no long instructions. But here's something important. This device reads your data, but doesn't store or share it. So everything stays private. Now, once it's powered on, using it is even easier. You simply place your finger inside, press the button, and within seconds, you get your readings. Your oxygen saturation, SpO2, and your pulse rate. For example, you might see something like 95 for oxygen and around 60-70 for pulse. But here's where it gets more advanced. This device also connects via Bluetooth. So if you want to track your readings over time, you can pair it with an app on your phone. And once connected, you can actually set alerts. So if your levels go above or below a certain point, your phone notifies you instantly, which is incredibly useful, especially if you're monitoring changes throughout the day. Now let's talk about portability, because this is where it really shines. It's small, lightweight, and comes with a lanyard. So you can carry it anywhere, attach it to a bag, or keep it close while you're on the go. But here's the real value. It gives you quick insight into what's happening inside your body, without waiting, without guesswork, and without complexity. So whether you're checking your pulse, monitoring oxygen levels, or just want peace of mind, this is one of the simplest tools you can use. And once you start using it, you'll realize how convenient it actually is. So here's the question. What would it mean for you to check your health in seconds, anytime, anywhere? If that sounds useful, this might be something worth having. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.